getting started here today by placing my sugar cookies right down on my baking dish. Now they don't have to be in any particular order. You just want to spread them all over the bottom, and then what you're going to do is you're going to come through with your fingers and just start to push it all on the bottom of that baking dish. Now don't forget, cookies rise and they expand and grow, so if it's not all touching, it's totally fine, but you can try to cover as much of the bottom of your baking dish as you can, and it looks like this works out perfectly. Looks like we have the perfect amount of sugar cookie dough right here on the bottom of our baking dish. All right, moving right along. Now to make this even better, I have 2 cans of apple pie filling. I'm just gonna plop one in the front and one in the back. Okay, good. We got 2 plops of apple pie right there in our baking dish. And then of course, take a moment to smooth it all over the top. And you know what? Sometimes you just got to do things to make yourself laugh, you guys. Life does not need to be that serious. So plop things in, move them around, get a little messy. I mean, honestly, we only live once, right? So that looks great. I love that apple pie filling right on top. Now you better believe what we're going to do next. Oh yeah, baby. Some caramel sauce drizzle right on top of this apple pie. So I am just going to move all through the top here with this caramel sauce and let it just drizzle right over these apples. Wow, look at that. Woo! It's just flooding the surface here with this caramel and these apples. Wow. These apples are also gonna bake into that sugar cookie. We've got caramel, apple, sugar cookie going on. Not mad about it. And like I said, you can just make a thin layer of that caramel sauce right over top. You'll probably use about, I'd say, 1/4 to 1/2 of a jar, just depending on how much caramel you want. But once again, too, this is gonna bake and it's also gonna change consistency and it's gonna turn out fabulous. I am going to, however, just kind of spread a little bit of that caramel all around the top surface right here. Oh, letting it touch all of those apples. How easy is this? A little bit of sugar cookie, some apple pie filling, and some tasty caramel sauce, which, by the way, do you have a favorite kind? Now, I don't mind if those apples are peeping out. In fact, that's gonna be fantastic and it's gonna look so good. I'm gonna pop them now in the oven and they're gonna cook at 350 for probably about 20 minutes. Stick around, I think you're gonna love this easy treat. And don't forget, we've got 3 ingredients going on here. I mean, jackpot. Oh yeah, baby. Check out this caramel apple dessert goodness right here. That looks so amazing. Now, I did let it cool down. I wanted to let it cool down and get that caramel all cooled down along with that apple. I'm just gonna see if I can come in here and just cut myself a good piece right here, right up front. Oh, that caramel apple feels amazing, and I can feel that cookie crust right there in the bottom. Ooh, yeah, this is gonna be a good one right here. I can already tell. Oh my gosh, I cannot wait to sink my teeth into this. I am so in the mood for caramel apple. Tell you what. All right, so we're just gonna lift that right out of there. Oh yeah, probably the edge is not the easiest piece to get out, but looks like we made ourselves do. Look at that caramel apple. We have some sugar cookie right here. I'm gonna grab my plate. I was really just gonna pick it up and just shove it in my mouth.
I'm glad you didn't.
But I'm not gonna start the day out like that, okay. Oh yeah, look at that sugar cookie. Okay, so we can see the bottom of the sugar cookie. We have that fully cooked right there. Looks great with that layer of caramel and apple. Wow, that's amazing. This is so good. Look at that. Look at those layers right there. Wow, and the sugar cookie is just cooked perfectly. Mmm. Winner, winner. I'd eat this for dinner, but don't tell my kids because I would definitely not allow them to do that, right? All right, you guys, this 3 ingredient treat is a must try. Let me know if you're gonna add anything, if you're gonna change it up, or you're just gonna keep it the easy peasy way. Thanks for being here. Share it, like it, let me know what you think. We'll see you guys later. Enjoy.